Hi everyone, today I'm showing you the wet hair look for a back to school hairstyle. First of all, you're gonna need a gel and a spray bottle, a tooth comb or a brush for your baby hair, a brush to slick down the hair, and a Denman brush to define your curls. So first of all, you're gonna want to spray your hair with a lot of water and maybe oil in it. I have oil in my water bottle because I want my hair to be as moisturized as much as they can be. So I'm just gonna spray that all over my hair and make sure that my hair is really wet, but not too wet in a way, like not. When I'm done that, I'm just gonna use my Denman brush to really separate my curls and define them as much as possible. When this is done, I'm simply gonna use my hair gel, which is the XOXO professional one, and I'm just gonna pass it through my hair to make sure that my hair have the wet look. So the XOXO is really gonna give you this wet look, which is gonna give you this shiny, wet look to your hair, but they're gonna be basically dry. And then I'm obviously doing a side part, so I'm gonna use my slick down brush and my baby hair brush to help me slick down those hair and have a couple of baby hairs done. So that was it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet, and I'll see you on the next video.